Welcome to Catalina Island. In today's video, we're taking you off the Carnival Firenze and showing you exactly what the tender boat process looks like when arriving at the iconic California cruise port. Then we'll take you along for a relaxing and beautiful day at the Descanso Beach Club. It's the only beach club on Catalina Island that's open to cruise passengers. From chair and cabana rentals to food, drinks, and tips for first-timers, you're going to get the full experience right here. Catalina Island is a tender port, so we are going to be catching the little water shuttles over to Catalina. It is chilly. It's normally always chilly on Catalina Island, so I have my little jacket, my shirt, and I'm hoping I'm okay. Oh, I think I'm going to add my necklace. Yeah, why not? Let's do that. And this is day 2 of the Carnival Firenze.
In audio.
Like 11:20, and this is what it looks like. Leave out at 11:20.
I'm winning it.
But it's gonna go fast. It's gonna go fast. What's up?
I left my sunglasses here.
And where there's no sun. As of right now, there is no sun. So we'll see. This should still go pretty quickly. And a lot of people could fit in the shuttle. This morning, it was like Titanic. There was probably nobody in the boats.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I was on the balcony filming it.
There's a lot of room outside if y'all want to be out. Y'all want to sit outside or stand over here? Yeah.
I mean, what y'all want to do?
Yeah.
I'll be fine with it. I'm the only bench right here.
Yeah, we can sit on that bench. I was able to touch the cruise ship. Look at me, I'm strong. I pushed the shoe. I pushed it.
All right, so this, if I remember correctly, this is a quick ride. Okay. Yeah, it doesn't take long.
And they had us leaving to smash our arm again. Yep. Huh? Catalina. We're going to hang out with our friends. Catalina is fun. There's a lot of little spots to go to in Catalina, especially the port. Descanso Beach, I think that's how you say it.
We said we'll walk back there.
Yeah, we walk over there, and you can do, what does she want to do, zip lining? Not zip lining, parasailing. You can swim at the beach. They got nice little restaurants and bars and food. You know, it's a little date, man. You want to go on the phone.
No.
I don't know.
No, nobody should be back on the ship. Coming to Catalina Island. It's just not that much.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. We'll be back.
Going to Catalina Island. Ang sarap-sarap talaga. Mag-e-enjoy ka talaga dito.
Come aside.
Wala ng pag-asa.
Michael Jackson, she's singing.
Mararanasan nyo dito. There is hope in our life. Okay, like me.
Matatawag ko ako baka mahulog.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, babe, you should hold it so you can get on it.
Oh.
Doon na lang po. Ganda ron.
I don't know. We're gonna see. Cause I know if we go in there, we're gonna get caught up. Cause the people upstairs is coming down. If there's a way to get out, like those people who came in this way, if we can get out a different way, I don't want to go back through there.
Come over here.
I'm right here. I'm right here. So they got multiple exits, which is actually good. Okay, so we're stepping out. Watch your feet. Watch your step. And go down. All right.
20 minutes said at gate 5, guys.
Gate 5.
15, 20 minutes.
Just might be
I don't know. He just said gate 5. Something about 15, 20 minutes. Maybe he said it comes every 15, 20 minutes. Catalina. We're on Catalina Island. You can see the beautiful Carnival Firenze in the background, and it's actually a good day today. So the temperature is low in the 70s, but it feels really good. It's like it feels good enough for me to take off this jacket and just explore the island. The sun is shining. It's just a beautiful time. So we're gonna go into town and kind of get into something, but I wanted to let you get like a 360 degree of what this looks like. And yeah, so let's go. We're actually gonna go to a beach, a little beach club at the other end of the island. We're just gonna go straight walk. All right, I don't recommend an excursion for this one unless you just want to. And then for some excursions, I'm gonna have a link to my website that will advertise some of the excursions that you can do, but it's so much you can just do without one. So I'm gonna get my group and we're gonna get to it. Now it's time to order some food and drinks. So here's a quick look at the menu, including pricing for cocktails and food. The drinks are nice and strong, the food is fresh, and there's no shortage of seating. And remember, Descanso Beach Club is not part of Carnival, so gratuities are not included. I can't tell you what to do, but I always tip my servers. All right, yeah, you definitely need your water shoes here. Yeah. A price list for reservations? Okay, and that's for two. Yeah. Okay, awesome. $115.95. Have them until 4 p.m. Okay, awesome. Thank you so much. What about the cabanas?
The cabanas are $350 or $350.
And that's for the whole day?
Yeah.
Perfect. So there's a lot of bees over here.
Ice cube on the
All right, so this is the Mai Tai.
What is this?
Not as cute as the margarita. Mai Tai.
Okay. And what you
I think it's cute.
I got a shot of that.
For lunch, we ladies went with a crisp, refreshing salad. Definitely needed after all the burgers, burritos, and pizza back on board the Carnival Firenze. And the guys, you already know, burgers, no questions asked. So we only spent a couple of hours enjoying Catalina Island because that's really all that's needed. It was the perfect mix of chill and fun. But on our way back to the ship, the guys wanted to make a quick stop for ice cream. And then we were on a mission to find the most premium tequila on Catalina Island that Catalina Island had to offer. Not a bad way to wrap up the day. In our next video, we're going to take you into what happened after the port day on day 2 of the Carnival Firenze. So that means that get ready for elegant night, the captain's toast, and a high energy Motown show that hit everyone on their feet in the atrium. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss the next video in our Carnival Firenze series.